welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make some DIY tumble dryer sheets. It's quite easy. So the things you're going to need are a glass jar, and this is an old candle jar just with the lid, and I wrote myself a label out with a chalkboard pen. We'll leave a link down below for the labels I've used. Then I've got some scraps of fabric, so these have actually been an old item that was cut up, so you can use anything like an old piece of clothing where it's maybe no longer of use, and just cut that up into some squares or rectangles. I've got some water and I've got some fabric softener, and I'll show you what we do. So the first thing I'm going to do is pop my sheets into my jar. And into that, I'm going to take 2 cupfuls of my fabric softener. Now that's in, I'm just going to put 2 cupfuls of water in as well. And now I'm just going to pop my lid on my jar and give that a real good shake. So that's it. So there's your tumble dryer sheets. So when you come to use them, just take a sheet out. You can actually drain off a bit of the excess fluid if you want, and then just pop that in the tumble dryer. Obviously it saves you having to buy the tumble dryer sheets, and your washing will smell exactly like your fabric conditioner. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a like if you did. And don't forget to subscribe. You can either click below and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss out on videos that I post, or you can click on my face up here, and also you can click down in the bottom here to check my latest DIY video out. Look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.